You are now watching the Blender daily tips and tricks, and today we are going to see how we can make an hole in a flat surface such as this plane. Firstly, this is the first method. In this method, as you can see, we can't apply subdivision surface. If you apply the subdivision surface, you can see that the edges is destroyed. So enough talking, let's see how we can achieve that. Assume that you have some edges such as this, and you just pick any vertex and press Ctrl Shift B. Increase the subdivision surface, and after that go to loop tools and add circle. Make sure that in the add-ons, make sure that you have the loop tools are activated and enabled, such as this. Make sure it's enabled, and after that you can press extrude, such as this. Be aware that you can't apply the subdivision surface. If you apply the subdivision surface in this case, you will get unexpected results. So be aware of that. Secondly, this method is perfect if you want to apply the subdivision surface. So I will press Ctrl B and press here Ctrl B. Next, I will press Ctrl Shift B and make sure that you have only two segments, and after that add loop tool circle and press here Insert, and after that extrude and extrude, and connect with this vertex with this corner or edges. You must connect to have a clean mesh and all codes. So when you add a subdivision surface, you can see that you have this clean mesh. That's it for this lesson. It's easy to make an hole in a flat surface. Thanks for watching. See you another tutorial on a channel on YouTube.